Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jasmine. Welcome to Jazz Journey. Today it is so exciting. Today is Monday early access to make your choice for the base box. This is already for the October box. So on this video I'm going to show you the four products, the four variations, guys. You're going to be able to make your selection, but don't worry, if you are just subscribed to the base box, you're going to be able to pick your selection tomorrow on Tuesday. So we're going to be looking at other sneak peeks for the base box and also some sneak peeks for the premium and not confirmed. So many spoilers that I'm excited to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started with the premium box. Sneak peek, we only have 2 items so far that are confirmed. We don't know what the choice items are going to be yet, but this is Thursday is going to be choice day for the premium box. So just keep an eye on that. But in the meantime, we have some products and this is one of them. This is from Clarins Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch. This is a wrinkle smoothing makeup primer. This is a primer that's going to fill in fine lines, pores, and deep wrinkles for foundation ready skin in seconds. This one retails for $39. You can use it alone or under makeup or mix it with your foundation. And the skin becomes even, flawless, and foundation ready. So great product. We have another great product from Murad. This is the Hydrating Toner, and this toner retails for $35. It helps bind water to restore skin's suppleness as vitamin C and E combine to provide powerful antioxidant protection. So this, like they say, it is a hydrating toner. So now let's go ahead and move on to the base box, which is the exciting part. As you know, this is early access. This is already open and we have a variation of 4 products. So I'm excited to share them with you guys. The first one is Dose of Colors. We did see this as a sneak peek, but now it's confirmed that it's going to be a choice. Your Hue Concealer. We have received Dose of Colors as palette, but this is now the concealer. This comes in 30 inclusive shades. They have so many shades to choose from. So if you know your shade or you have an idea, you're going to be able to select the shade you want. This is a full coverage concealer and it's also lightweight. That is easy to blend formula. But now let's go ahead and check out the second option. This is AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser from Murad. This is so tempting. It is so hard because I want the concealer. I also want the cleanser because it's an exfoliating cleanser that has AHA and BHA. This is a lightweight active cleanser. This cleanser is not meant for you to use every day. As you know, it's going to be exfoliating, so you're going to use this a few times in a week. But it has so many great agents like salicylic acid, lactic acid, and glycolic acid all on this cleanser. It has a jojoba beads, polish away debris, dryness, and roughness, while moisturizing agent sodium PCA attracts water to the skin to help it retain plumpness and elasticity. So this is so tempting. But then we have another product for you guys to choose from. This is from Real Her. We have received a similar palette years ago from this brand and it was so pigmented. It was different shades and I believe they were a little bit more shimmery. This one is the Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. This is a trio, so you have in one palette you have everything to go. You're gonna have the Blessed Blush, the Highlighter Goddess, and the Incredible Bronzer. So this is something that you would like to get. It's gonna be all in one. And last, we have Farsal. Yes guys, Farsal is also coming to, again, Boxycharm. And I'm so excited to see it on the base box. This is a moisture replenishing serum quench. I was trying to find out more information about it and so many people are like really have some great reviews and they just keep ordering it because it was sold out, I believe, when this first was introduced. The low molecular weight hyaluronic acid is a lightweight, versatile hydrator that attracts and binds 1,000 times its weight in water. While the high molecular weight hyaluronic acid, due to the large molecule size, this hyaluronic acid sits on top of the skin, forming an invisible shield that traps moisture. So guys, those are the 4 items for a variation for the choice. I don't know which one you guys really would like to get, but I really love the variation. So now let's go ahead and continue with the base box because there's other items that are confirmed. So now we know exactly how this box is coming together for the month of October. We did see this one, it is confirmed. This is from Beauty Bakery. I am so excited to see this in the box, this brand. This one is Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. I keep hearing some comments sometimes of the colorful palettes. This palette has more neutral tones, just like some pop of the dark shades, and I think this will be a great palette to have. And so far we see this won't be a choice, but it may be a variation. That part is not confirmed yet. Then we have this item too. I was hoping that was going to be a choice item, but this might be a variation too. This is from Tarte, the Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray. And guys, let me show you a picture. This is ultra fine. I love that it is ultra fine. It's going to set your makeup for up to 16 hours, which is super crazy. And it's going to make your makeup waterproof for maximum wear. So let me show you this picture that they share. If you have, they sprayed the Maracuja mist on top of makeup, and they did the swipe, and you could see the difference, how with the mist it was intact, and without the mist you could see that it was rubbing off. So that is so interesting to see if this works like that. This is so interesting, and would love to get this on my box. So this is confirmed to be on the base box. Now this is so interesting because in the weekend we did get to see a video on TikTok. They were showing all these items, saying that they were from Boxycharm, but some of those I have not seen in Boxycharm yet. And one of those, this one is not confirmed. This was shown once again on that TikTok video, but we already have seen this twice already, guys. So I think this is confirmed. And I don't know what brand it is yet, but this looks like a great palette, and we don't know for which box it is going to be and for when, but I keep seeing it already. This will be like the second or third time I've seen this palette. Then this one is not confirmed. If you look at this box, it has so many palettes there, and you can see SpongeBob right there, and you can see Patrick. So doing the research, Hip Dot, which we just received this brand this month, Hip Dot has a SpongeBob palette. It looks just like the cover there, and this will be interesting to see if this is going to be coming to a box soon for Boxycharm, and it is not in the add-on store, so it may be. Then I checked out and I saw all these 3 palettes here. They're all from the same brand. This is from Hank and Henry, and the one here, this is Sweet Tooth. Then we have Las Hermanas from Hank and Harry, and then we have Spring Fling. Now this one I will have to put an X on because this one was just shown for the add-ons. These were not shown on the add-on, so I'm not sure if this is something that's going to come in the future for the add-on store, or if this is going to be coming for the boxes. Another product that I don't know if you guys could spot, different palettes here. We did receive these palettes right here, and even this blush, but we see here the cover from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Jackie Aina collab palette. Then right here we see Huda Beauty, the neon palette, and then on this side we see this palette that Quattro. And I want to share something with you guys, that the add-on store, I'm going to be showing you the video of everything that I found there. Usually the add-on store doesn't have that many items, not like, of course, Boxy pop-up, but I was so impressed and so surprised to see so many items that we have seen in the box previously, months before. Some new items, some items that are going to be coming on this month, that came on this month, and the one that's coming for the following month. So there was so many choices. So I'm going to be showing you guys, in case you haven't checked out the add-on store, there are so many great items there. So guys, I want to thank you for watching this video, for your support. I hope you're having a wonderful beginning of week and you're able to make your selection. So let me know which one you guys are picking. I really would like to know which one is your choice item. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys once again, and until the next video. Bye.